there, plant lovers! Welcome back again to my channel. How are you today? I hope you are doing well. And for those who are new here, welcome. And I hope you will consider to hit the subscribe button below, hit the all bell, and so you will be notified for my next video. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate your time. So today, we will be doing some tutorial in YouTube. I know this is kind of ironic because I'm talking about plants and now I'm doing YouTube tutorial, but I cannot resist myself in sharing this information to you guys. So I hope you will stay for the rest of this video. I know a lot of you guys are complaining about losing your bananas. I mean, that includes me. And almost every day I'm like, oh, Lolo is making mukbang again. And I can understand that, guys, because I know how hard it is to gain those bananas. I mean, you go to bed late at night, you stay up late at night, you wake up early in the morning to attend all those live streaming and do fishing. And I know it's so hard. And then the following day you wake up, it's all gone. You know, so it's kind of sucks sometimes to think about it, but that's how life in YouTube, that's how it is. That's how Lolo works. The mechanics, I guess, in YouTube, that you have to lose bananas every day. But today I will share with you a little secret. I'm not sure if this is a secret, but I just want to share with you guys because I cannot resist of not sharing it with you. So right now, guys, we are in YouTube History tab under Google My Activity, and this is what I did. Not saving activity, your YouTube history is off. I want you to go this in here. And how are you going to do that? I will show you shortly. So what you can do is you go to your YouTube channel. Right now I have my Planting 6 account. So I'm going to switch my account into a different account. I'll go for add account. I think I can use Planting 5. And next, takes forever because I'm doing WH with my friends. So anyway, so here's my channel, and now I'm gonna go to settings to clear my histories here. I'll show you how to do that. Also, I know a lot of you know how to do it. So I'll go to my history, and then here are my history for the past few days. Okay, now I will go clear all watch history. So it's all gone. Boom. And then pause watch history. Pause. Okay. And then turn on watch history. You're not going to turn it down. Just leave it. Just leave it that way. And then you go to watch and search history. Now look at this. Here are your history here. That will redirect you to Google My Activity, not in YouTube, but in Google Activity. Now in here, this is where Lolo will see your analytics, I guess, and where did you go, what are the channel that you watch and all that stuff. So now you can delete this. All time, okay, select all time, and then delete all your watch history and your search history. And of course, got it, and boom. Gone. Now, my little secret, that's what other people are doing, okay, or YouTubers are doing. Now, my little secret here, and I just found it, and I've been doing this. I mean, I will definitely lose bananas, maybe just like 10 is the most, and I probably got 15, but the usual, based on my experience, Lolo will, I don't know if he's giving it back to me after he make mukbang. He's probably said, oh, I'm full, I'm gonna go give it back to you. I don't know, but if I lose 10, he will bring it back to me after a few hours or days. So if I lose today 10, tomorrow I'll gain it again. So I don't know what's going on, but I'm not sure if this is the reason why I'm not losing really bananas. So anyway, let's move on. So here's my little secret here in YouTube, and I don't know if a lot of people knows this, but this is what I've been doing, and I just found it on my own. Okay, I did not do a research on this, but based on my experience, I'm not claiming that I learned it from this person or from that person. But if it's not working for you, well, I'm sorry, but this one really works for me. So that's why I'm sharing it. So a lot of people, what they do is they just clear this history here. Okay, so this is what they're doing. Just delete this, and you click all time. And of course, you go to delete and got it. And boom, it's all gone here. No activity, no activity. Some activity may not appear yet. So once you're done that, most of you will just, okay, we're done. We're going to go back to YouTube and we'll do it pangisda again. But here's my little secret that I just found out a few weeks ago, or probably it's a month now. So what I did, I go to this saving activity here. You see that your YouTube history is on. So it's on. Your history is on. So if you're done deleting the history, then you're done, but your history is still on. So what you can do is just click this and uncheck all this. Because you have this, include the YouTube videos you watch. That's very clear. So that will be included in your history. So unclick that. You no longer do that, because all you have to do here actually is, you may not be able to quickly find videos again or see recommendations for content you will like. I mean, you no longer do that. You even memorize your friend's channel. I mean, your team's channel. You know that, right? So you really don't need all those recommendation from YouTube. And you can just click pause. So boom, it's gone. And then here, unclick that also. Because this one, by the way, is just for your searches on YouTube if you're searching on someone. Okay, so just unclick that. You no longer need those. And click pause. And it's all unclicked. Now, if you read that one here, it says saves the YouTube videos you watch and the things you search for on YouTube to give you better recommendations. Remember where you left off. I mean, you don't really need that, honestly, right? So just click close and boom. Not saving activity, your YouTube history is off and the auto deleted is no longer applicable. So you no longer have an activity here on your watch or search history. That simple as it is. So on top of this little secret I have another secret that I want to share with you. So after I do my LS or pangisda, I usually cleaned my history in all my devices, my laptop, my cell phone, my iPads. I clean the history in YouTube, not here in my Google, my activity, because it's already turned off, the history. So I clean the watch history and the search history, and I turn off all my devices. After I do that, I unplug my Wi-Fi router and I count 130. When I count, I just go 101, 102, 103, 100, all the way to 130. As soon as I'm done counting, I just plug it back and I'll wait for a few seconds to turn my devices back on. And that's what I've been doing so far, and it kind of worked for me too. So there's nothing wrong if you will try it, right? So there you have it, plant lovers, my fans. I just shared with you my little secret on how to keep my bananas and not losing a lot of them. And it works for me, and I hope it works for you. So there you have it, plant lovers. I hope you learned something for today's video. May you be happy, may you be well, may you be safe, may you be peaceful, and may the Holy Spirit continue to bless you and your loved ones and family today and always. Be safe out there, everyone, and I hope to see you on my next video. Namaste. Bye for now.